I welcome you all to the 15th session of CodeCrunchers. I hope you revised everything. Today is the revision class, so all of the topics we did yesterday, they will be revised thoroughly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So today will be the revision class. We'll be revising the concepts. Okay. So first of all, I'll be giving you a question related to our increment and increment questions. So this is the question, and you will be getting 4 minutes for this question. Okay.
So on the second word, minus C plus, then plus plus C. What does this mean?
No, so if you are not understanding the question, you will directly say that the question is wrong.
No, we have only put one sign there.
So you just do it accordingly. It is very much correct. We have done previously questions like that. When there is no increment and decrement sign on that C, then the value of C will remain intact. That is, the value from the previous iteration will be followed in this iteration also. Yeah. Okay. Both of you have sent an answer. I'll just cross check them. One answer is 72 and the other candidate's answer is 41. I guess the other candidate's answer is closer to correct. We'll just check. Okay. So first of all, it is C++. That is 5 minus 6. Okay. Then plus, we are again adding 7 minus 7. Okay. Then plus 6. Okay. And then the values are gonna increase. That is to say, by 2, because it is C plus C plus 8 and plus 32 to got cancelled out. 40, we got the answer as, yeah, we got the answer on the right hand side as 45, which on increasing from the left hand side we'll get the correct answer as 50. Okay, so now we'll get C plus equals 45 and C equals 50. So this is our answer, our final answer, which we are getting as 50. I hope the working is clear to both of the candidates, and it was not expected that such questions should get wrong, and I hope such mistakes will not be repeated. I know these questions are sometimes very much complicated, but you have to cut through that complexity of this these questions, complexity of these questions, and solve them. Okay, is this question clear to both of the candidates? Okay, yeah. So now one more question. I'll be sending the question on the chat box. Okay. See, the question states you have to input a number and calculate its square, and you have to print the square, and then you have to also use the if and else statement to check if its square is even or odd, and if it is even, you have to print the square of number is even, else you'll print that the square of the number is odd. Okay. Yeah, you may admit yourself.
Yes, sir, I've done it.
You made the program. Okay, so you may dictate the program then.
Okay, so I'm dictating. Class square public static void main. Yes, sir.
Yeah, now your voice is clear. Okay. Okay. After declaring the public static void main in it, after declaring the variable a, then
Then we will multiply both for squaring.
like means just like a into a or anything
Yes, sir.
else, just a into a,
Nothing.
not storing.
Sir, A is equal to 0.
Why variable a we have entered the number in it,
Yes, sir.
so
Sir, there will be no need for storing another variable.
why
Sir, that without storing a
when you're squaring the number, won't you store the square of the number in a variable? Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So we'll take another variable over here, int sq
Okay.
equals a into a. Okay, and then what are
And
we
then
gonna
we'll
do?
write the if statement.
But before the if statement, we have to print the value of the square.
E- Okay, then here only we will write the print statement. System.out.println. SQ.
Okay, then the if statement. Yeah, what will write over there?
Yes. If SQ percentage 10 2 double equals to 0, then we let system out the print ln even, else odd. Yes, sir.
Okay.
That
Yeah, this program is correct. Yeah. So is this program clear to you?
Yes, I just made it with you.
Okay. Okay, so I am giving one more question and then it will be time for the break. Okay. So one program based on if and else statements as well as a for loop. Okay. So write a program to input a number and print its factors. I hope you know what are factors of a number. Yeah. The numbers which can divide the given number. Okay. Like if your number is 4, then the factors are 1, 2, and obviously 4 will also be the factor. Okay. So similarly, you have to only print the factors of that number up till that number. Okay. And the solution for this program I'll discuss after the break. Okay. It's time for the break. You all are required to rehydrate, go through your notes, revise everything, and make this program. We'll discuss this program post break. Okay. You can leave the session now. I'll be sending you the new link. You're required to join latest by 11:20. Okay, so welcome back. I hope you went through your notes, revised everything, and completed that program. Okay, that's great. You've completed the program. I'll just paste it on the whiteboard and then explain it. Okay. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. Yeah. So this is the program. So class factors, and then we have entered a number in a variable a, as you can see, and then we have created a for loop which is running from an initial value of 1 to the final value of entered number. Okay, like for loop is running from 1 till the entered number. Okay, and there this if statement checks that if the value of x, that is 1, 2, and so on, when we divide the number by this value, are we getting the remainder as 0? That is, are these numbers the factors of the entered number? And if yes, then it will print them, and if no, then it will not print. Okay, so I hope this program is clear. It will print it only if the number is a factor of the entered number, else it will not print it. Okay, yeah, so that's very much great, you have understood it. Okay, so now one more program. Write a program to input a number and print all of its digits in different lines. Okay, and you have to print the digits in backward order. Like if the number is 157, so you'll print 7 and 5 in the next line and then 1 in the last line. Okay, so you'll be getting 4 minutes for this program. It's a very simple program. You have to just chop the numbers and then print it. Okay, because chopping starts from the last digit only. Okay, so the time's up, and yeah, that's great. You've got the logic of that program. I'll just paste your program over here. Your program is correct. Yeah, so a very simple program. The basic program of chopping, we are just chopping the number. Each digit gets stored in this variable n and then gets printed. And over here, the value continues to decrease. Quite a simple program of chopping. Okay. Okay. Here I've used that shorthand operator. It's the same as a is equal to a divided by 10. Okay. So now one more program, and this one you have to do with ternary operators. Okay, so write a program to input two numbers and print the table of the larger number. Okay, so you have to input two numbers and print the table of the larger number. So what you'll do is you'll store the larger number in a common variable, maybe c. Okay, and then you'll print the table of the value which is stored in the variable c. Okay, so you are getting again 4 minutes for this program. Okay, so the time's up. And yeah, you've just got the program correct. We have to just print in the correct format the table. Okay, you've got the ternary operator statement correct. Just got to print it correctly. Okay, yes, now your statement is correct. Okay, so I'll be just pasting that program over here. Okay, so this is the program. Over here, we have used the statement of ternary operators. That is, we have stored the value of the larger number in a third variable c. Okay, and then we are just executing a for loop. I created a for loop over here, and then the table of the number gets printed in this format. So, for example, if the greater number is 5, so 5 into 1 is equal to 5, then 5 into 2 is equals to 10. In that format, it will get printed. I'll just run this program on BlueJ also. Okay, so this is the program, as you can see. I'll just compile it and see class compiled, no syntax errors. I'm storing 4 as the value of the variable a and 5 as the value of variable b, and here you can see that I got the desired output. So I hope this program is clear to you all. Yeah, so that's great. If you have any queries, you can ask. Yeah, the statement is very much simple. You have to just write the condition here just after the equal to symbol, or rather we can say before the question mark. And if the condition is true, then the variable which is just after the question mark, the value of it will get stored in the third variable c. Otherwise, the else part, in this case the value in the variable b will get stored as the value in the variable c. Okay, I hope you got the point. Yeah, that's correct. That's great that you understood each and every concept taught, and you all are required to revise all of these programs. We did try to make different types of programs. Okay, you're required to revise everything. Okay, so we'll be keeping it up till here. You may leave the session now. Thank you.